The cold weather is upon us, so that calls for hot beverages. Today, I am going to be showing you how to make hibiscus tea, which is a herbal tea, and it's super healthy. So I have 3 main ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. To get started, I'm going to place a pot over medium flame, and I have 2 cups of water, so I'm going to add the water in the pot. Let the water come to a boil. We make hibiscus tea from hibiscus flower, which comes from hibiscus plant. So this is how the hibiscus flowers are looking like, and they are dried. So I got mine from a friend who came to visit and brought for me some herbal tea. So yeah, some hibiscus flowers. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add in my dried hibiscus flowers and simmer on low for 5 minutes. There are many benefits of hibiscus tea. It's packed with antioxidants, fights inflammation, lowers blood pressure levels in your body, and also lowers cholesterol levels, promotes weight loss in our body, among many other benefits. After 5 minutes, this is how my hibiscus tea is looking, so I'm going to strain off the flowers. My hibiscus tea is ready, so I'm going to pour myself some, and the tea has turned out so delicious. I love the sweet and tangy flavor, which makes the hibiscus chai just perfect. So also I have some sweetener over here. I have some honey, and I'm going to add in a slice of lemon. That is going to be just perfect. So stay warm, people, and try out this delicious hibiscus tea recipe.